Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create how in which I teach you about how you can use ChatGPT to increase your productivity and save your time, and you can also learn these from this skill. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can write ad copy for Facebook ads, and let's see. So I am going to ChatGPT, and suppose I have to sell a lamp, and this is LED lamp. So I write here, hey chat GPT, I am a copywriter and I need your help. Now I assign him a rule: act as an experienced copywriter and write a title for my product. LED lamp. Light up your life, discover the magic of our LED lamp. Good. Now write ad copy for this for Facebook. The ad copy must be so that's it. I click enter and let's see. The title is great, like light up your life, discover the magic of our LED lamp. So let's, tired of dim luster, lightly say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliance with our stunning LED lamp. Great. And light up your life with our LED lamp. Great. Why choose ordinary when you can have an extraordinary? It's great. So as you can see, uh, it gives us a great uh, copy. So if we manually write it, then it we have to take it like 4 to 5 hours, but with ChatGPT we can write in some minutes. So that's why AI save our time and increase the productivity of our work. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.